So extra hot forex. So let's go straight to NASDAQ, US30 and gold. And you know what? It's Monday. So let's see what we can get from our daily analysis. Uh, since if you are not subscribed, please guys, you can hit that subscribe button. Sorry about that. Yeah, here it's gold, guys. Sorry, it's NASDAQ 100. So on NASDAQ 100, I think you've seen what happened yesterday. If not, check the weekly analysis and check what we expect might happen for the whole week. You see, so here we have a very nice structure. You can see the structure. We have like a resistance here. It's a nice resistance. It's quite simple there, and it seems like what the market is about to break that. So actually, we just going to wait for the market to break this. If not, maybe the market will still respect this area, but we just have to watch that like carefully because we might have a breakout, so we need to get that quicker. You see, so let me just zoom out so that maybe you can see a bigger picture. So if you look down here, we still have our support. This support is very clear on a bigger time frame. So if you want to see what really happens with this, go check my previous video so that you can understand what's really happening. Because now we're not going to go to a daily time frame. We're just going to use 4 hour and going lower. So let's use 2 hour time frame and see. So on the 2 hour time frame, guys, we have a very clear move here. What do you check here? I mean, what do you see here? I see a support line here, area or a zone. You can see this is a zone where I can say if the market really goes down, I can see the market maybe respecting this area. So which makes this structure a wedge. You can see that this is a wedge. So it means if if Nasdaq doesn't break here, we can see the market coming back, playing around this wedge. This is what you're supposed to see. You see. So if that is not respected, let's say maybe the market respect this resistance and comes back here, and maybe this support is not respected, it means we're going to wait for the market to reach and say, okay, this area around like 14,400 is going to be our next support because we already drawn that on a bigger time frame. But at the moment, we're still going to stick to like 14,800 as our support. I hope maybe you see that. So you don't have to make your life difficult with this. Just make it very simple. Have those areas. If it's broken, you look for another direction. If not, it means the market will be turning back. Here we just waiting for a breakout. If not, we will see the market pushing lower. So simple as that. You don't have to complicate things. uh yeah, I think let's go maybe to an hour. Maybe we can see something. I think this is quite simple. You can just see this area. So you can just focus on this area for now. The market is just playing around here. But if it's broken, it means we will be looking for a very nice buy around these areas. If not, around this area. If it's broken, we will be waiting for the market to reach this zone. You see, it's quite simple. It's quite straightforward. I don't complicate anything. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And thanks to everyone who already subscribed. So let's check US30 and see what we can get from there. Um, let's start with 4 hour. On 4 hour time frame, guys, you can see that I already drawn this thing for some like on my daily analysis or on my weekly analysis. Sorry, on my weekly yesterday, you can see that we have a very nice structure. Let me just show you that on a bigger time frame. You can see actually we having this a very nice support that it's just going up. But here, since we are on a very nice support, which is also like a bullish momentum, it shows that the market can still go higher, but that doesn't mean that the market won't retest a little bit. The market can still go lower, you see. So let's see. Uh, you can draw this up to maybe here, maybe. So here for us to buy, it means we need to break. Let me clear that. Let me zoom this. We need to, let me make this like this. Yeah, I hope maybe you see that. For us to buy, obviously, it's either the market will come around this zones, this area like 34,400, or maybe the market has to break this resistance here. Then if it goes above, it's quite similar to the NASDAQ at the moment. We are on our resistance where we're just waiting for the market to break. So if it doesn't break this resistance, maybe the market will go lower. But remember, we have this inner support here where the market can just consolidate around this area. The market can still push lower because we can see that the market has been playing around that zone for some time. You can see that. Let's see. Let's see from yeah, from let's say like from 21st of July, the market was just consolidating from here. The market was just consolidating around this area on a 2 hour time frame. It's not even bigger time frame. So it means from this, once we have that breakout, it might be bullish breakout, the one which will break the resistance, or maybe bearish, the one which will break our support. Then if it's broken, we can expect the market to reach this area, this support area here. This is a zone, guys. It can reach anywhere around here, you see. So it means at the moment you don't have to buy and you don't have to sell. You just have to wait for this area. Two areas broken, but the one which is very close is our buy. When if this is broken, we can wait for a smaller retest because you can see the market will always respect those areas. Even if maybe it acts like it's just pulling higher and higher, but you can quickly, like in a few hours or a few days, the market will come back and retest around that area, you see. So we don't have to rush. The market is still Monday. Let's wait for the market to do its thing. If it's broken, we will see something. If it's not, we will just wait around here and we know where we should supposed to buy and where we're supposed to sell, you see. So we don't have to rush anything. So let's check gold and see what we can expect from gold. Guys, please, 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 don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let me show you my special. I hope you can see that we have a special, guys. I think I left with 9 people to join. It's a system where you can just get a system which will give you the signals. So if you want the signals from the system, you can just get the system for $35. You just plug on your MT4. Here are my contacts, guys, so you can just get everything that you want. So you can even plug it on NASDAQ, US30, gold, everything. So just let me know if you want the system. If you want to join the team, it's only $25. Let me see if I can get to show you that. It's only $25. Let me see. Um, let me check that. Guys, these are some of the profits that we make, some of the analysis that we do. So $35, you can see that. Let's see, where is $25? $25, where are you? Okay, here it is. If you want to join the team, VIP, here it is. You can just join the team, very easy and quicker, you see. So I don't have to waste your time. Let's go back and check gold. You know my contacts are here, so you don't have to ask people for my contacts. So here it's gold, guys. So gold, it seems like it, since I drawn this, I hope you saw that. Since I drawn this resistance, remember this is a 4 hour time frame. Come on, guys. Uh, sorry, it's a 4 hour time frame. You can see that we have a resistance. On this resistance, you can see the market was just playing around here. We have some consolidation. So it's back again. You can see it's back again on this resistance. And we see a sell-off. We see another sell-off. So which I don't think, I like it because the time I drew this, the market was still around here. So now the market respected that. and I did not see that. Obviously, I just woke up late today, so it means I have to wait for the market. Let me zoom that so that you can see the bigger picture, or let me just go to a bit smaller time frame. Auto, okay. Yeah, you see, let me remove this. So yeah, this is a very strong sell-off. So since the market respected that area, it means we have two areas, which is our support here at 1790, our support, or if the market doesn't support, since we have this support here, if the market doesn't respect this area, we might see the market selling off again, and maybe the market will have this resistance or support around like 1760, you see. But at the moment, we had this very strong resistance. Then if it means for us to buy, let's wait for the market to reach this area, or even this area can be something because the market just broke that. You see, the market was just broke this. It came, oh, but already it seems like we broke that. So it's fine. It means we have to wait for the market to reach these areas. If this area is respected, we will see the market going back again. But if the market doesn't respect that, it means we will see another small sell-off before we can see a very strong push, and which is what we like. It's what we want. Actually, we want the market to push higher. So yeah, after this, let me just uh, do a bonus. I said on weekend, I said I'm going to add like a currency pair or something, but I start to think that I should add maybe oil and maybe Euro USD or GBP USD. But today I'll just do only US oil. You see, it's YTI. So let's check that. So let's start with a 4-hour time frame. So on a 4-hour time frame, guys, you can see this is like advanced stuff. Let me remove this. I don't want to confuse you. Just want to show you what really happened with that. So we had something like this for some time now. So after, let me show you that. After, because now I think I was supposed to do this on a daily time frame so that you can understand. But since we started on Monday, we'll just continue like this. So we had this move. This was a crazy move the time it was going up. Then after we have this off. You can see the market was, let me just draw with a proper line, proper trend. You can see the market was just heading lower and lower, something like this. But I'm not going to keep this. I'm going to remove that. So I'll tell you why. So the market just kept going low, up, lower. Why? Because this was a resistance. Sorry, this was a downtrend. So after that, we can see from here. Actually, this it's a different time. It's a 4-hour time frame. It's a bigger time frame. So it means with this we can also have another trend. Why? Because this is a bigger time frame. If we throw that, we were going to get a very nice downtrend. So it means we just have to avoid this because this was very like back then. So we don't have to focus on the old things because the market is just changing the direction, changing the structure. So we can focus on something which is no longer valid. So that's why I did something like this. So here you can see this is a very nice breakout, and which means since the market was just going like this, going lower, uh, going lower like this. So it means now the market is changing the direction and now it's going up. It means this was a downtrend. Now we having a very nice uptrend again, you see. So remember, I said this is a 4-hour time frame. You can see this is a very nice one. People still Monday, they still like having so many charts already and still in the morning. So here we have another new structure which is an uptrend. So you can see, even if maybe you don't know how to analyze, but you can see this move, so here we having a small downtrend, but we already retested here. That's why I think the market can go higher. I think the market can go up, maybe reach these levels here, or you can say, okay, you can just scalp that, you can just get out anyway. But since we started with oil today, I think it's how we're going to start. I'm not going to go deeper on this one, but we having a support line here which we have to look at. And if this support is still strong enough, we will see the market doing something like this and going up. So maybe tomorrow I'll add up with a currency pair that we can do, but it means on every instrument that I will be analyzing, I'm going to take like only 2 to 3, so that maybe 4 minutes, 4 minutes, 4 minutes, so that I can able to squeeze everything on one video, because I don't want to take your 1 hour only watching my video. So I just want to balance things off. I don't want you to watch like 30 minutes video, you see. So guys, if you want to talk to me, you saw that, check my description. Down there you will find my description. Check, there is my number where you can get everything if you want to join the team, whether you want the system, whether you want to join the VIP, whether you want to join the starter pack, you see. So just talk to me if you want that help. Thanks guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Sorry, you know what, I'm a human, I don't even prepare this show. Sometimes I make these mistakes, but which are not important to you because you wanted the chart and we done with it. So thank you guys. Don't forget to smash it, like, share, subscribe. This is Kenzo, Extra Hot Forex. Bam.